The Neutra Border Dispute Redressal Forum, HBDRS, yesterday took up the matter pertaining to the border dispute between Assam and Meghalaya at Lapangap village of West Jain Hills. After the alleged encroachment by Assam into West Jain Hills district in the past few months, especially at Lapangap village of the district, the Neutra Border Dispute Redressal Forum, HBDRS, met the Deputy Commissioner of West Jain Hills and the officials of the Jain Hills Autonomous District Council regarding the attempted encroachment by the officials of the Assam government at Lapangap village of West Jain Hills. Following this, the HBDRF took strong note of it, and while speaking to its chairman, Shri C. Sunga said,
Penengkong nagaliang ka Lapangap dorbar chnong the one aging go show deputy commissioner yung West Jain Hills district kamju le sa CEM yung Jain Hills Autonomous District Council tekar kam ngajing tip ka forum dayo go yakini ki application the one a gila arsin chisin ka Dorbar Chnong Lapangap, Arsin 1, Daganiga Lapangap Khanduli, Border Area, Joint Action Committee. Kanengkong the 1A Khandru Terik yung panay Oktober yung kasnem Arjar Kharkhandi, wa R1 haka, Nru Terik November, Arjar Kharkhandi. Te hakajing yechem yung forum, wow Deputy Commissioner yung West Jain Hills District, te o de jubab yung forum, hakajing keli yung forum, the ongko, ni phak ka forum dayo jing tip go wakite ki thau untuk wahap kidu hapo upur usam yong ka jela Meghalaya lane yong ka West Jain Hills district hap haro go le hapo upur usam yong ka hali ka penthor gibru te kar kam ga jing tip dayo ka forum wakite gibru dawan ra gele wagalan holding wakapata the submit ki chagadisi office de langwa chau CEM Teka jing tip bayo ke forum na DC ongu wayaga ni ke kam DC da forward sa ka border magistrate ka kong bibla waman kam ka block development officer yung ka thalas keng block te kani ka BDO yung ka thalas keng block ha ka arphon ru terik ubna November yung snem archar karkhandi da pha wan go yik tiki tre thau wa le ya ka verification wa tos khet i thau yung ki dem to tang waga jubab na DC deyo ke forum wa kiti kinong song chnong yung ga chnong Lapangap M1 ki kar kam dapha daga border magistrate te nagaliang yung forum uchim khia go mardor mentu men step wa ya kalam wa kiti ki tre thau ko em hete Lapangap wa wan limi no ki sa DC office khnang wa DC office yo ko penti kana wa kiti ki thau wa ga niga aslam chna surok ko wa to sket ki thau yung ki kanang wo BC le yo uti bu tho saga chigi bor yang West Karbi Anglong district ne benta wo pensange no igni ka kam te nagaliang ketika jing chna surok te DC de jubab o ka forum wa mieu pensange ya kiwon ki development lada wan ki nagaliang ka Assam lada wan ki nagaliang ka Meghalaya chagi tu ki thau ki wa hap po ka dispute area ne bha wo man ka development ya ki pai nang chong chnong give em check to get how ne ba da em ka status go hakate ka status go da ya sign pan arliang government wa wanra yaki wan ki development la da ki surok la di dispensary la ne ki wan ki facilities ki development facilities tang em kam ka jing sing thu jing motlang na pan arliang steps wa pan arliang ki deputy commissioner te hakiju ko por ha kaliang ik forum da ong ya ga di ong yu DC wa yaga JHDC wa upenti kena wa ka Assam hi ka Karbi Anglong hi hawa chna ko ki won ki surok lani ki won wan ra ka ki development ka aims ki yong ka kamut wa claim ko ki tu ki thau wa man kam ki sekhi wa man kam ki monuments ki yong ka wa yo fight ko cha ka central government ne benta wa yo purusam te na kaliang ko forum da banjur ko yo DC yo CM wa upenti kena ki wa gatuga development wa wanra heitu wa ti penarliang hakaju ko por upun tikna wa gatuga development ento uman ko ne benta upur usam henrai to uman ko ne benta ka development doni